In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Black Ops 2 on Xbox One. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are having trouble running Black Ops 2 on an Xbox One, it is usually attributed to issues with Xbox Live. So for this video, I'm going to assume that this is the problem that you are having. As you can see on screen, the current profile is not allowed to play on Xbox Live. While there are other problems that exist, this one is by far the one that happens with most people. Even if you aren't getting this specific error, I highly recommend that you still try following the steps that I'm going to show you in this video, and you should be able to fix your issue as well. But all you have to do to fix this current profile error is to first press Start plus Select simultaneously on your controller. What this is going to do is open the classic Xbox 360 menu. In there, go over to Manage, Storage, Profiles, and you will find the current assigned profile that you have. Of course, if you don't have a profile assigned, this is the time to do it. Old Xbox 360 games, such as Black Ops 2, require you to have a profile listed, so if you don't, go ahead and list one now. If you see your profile that is giving you the issue, all that you have to do in there is delete your profile but keep the data. So remember that. Delete your profile and you will get the option to keep your data. At the same window, go ahead and simply re-add your profile, log back into Xbox Live using the same profile. Now, when you are done with this process, close down the classic 360 menu, go back into the game, and see if the Xbox Live account is now going through. Usually, it is a simple error to fix, and it comes down to the servers being owed, or maybe your Xbox Live account not being properly detected. Usually doing a simple fresh relog like I showed you here is going to fix this issue. So if you ever face it again in the future, you simply have to repeat these steps and you will be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Black Ops 2 on Xbox One. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.